Oh, all right. Yeah, i-program yethu as I said ukuthi i-program that will help us kakhulu sifocus ey'kolweni wabona
Yeah.
to help ama-student for choose ama-course right for ama-subject right for ama-course because yeah siba nenkinga because masilibe senza le program le we are discovering ukuthi kunezinto ezinye ezingafiki kulabantwana, so we're trying to break that boundaries wabona ukuthi at least siye kubo then give them more information so that good when they came to grade 12 they know what to do and what to expect. Yeah, so okay, double spelling bee. We are also doing a spelling bee from our primary school. Yeah, but so manje unyaka mawuqala siqala sihambele ikolo early before, yeah, sihambele ikolo sithengise ke as career expo. If you know ukuthi what is what, if you want to do science this subject you have to do that. Then nama grade 11 we encourage them good next year since you're going to grade 12 the report that will help you to ukuthi ukhona uku-apply you need to pass this grade 11 with greater marks. So bese ngo-June, before June April kuyadependa just that ukuthi program this year kube nama-hiccups nyana then but we before June we are opening for helping ama-student to come to library bayenze ama-application for ama-varsity and it's not one varsity but ama-varsity as many as they can be ama-student even ama-college that we actually have njenge-GS we used to have i-GS nabo. Yeah, sebenza actually nawo wonke amanye ama-college nama-varsity actually, so yeah. Then bese ngo-September we help them ukuthi sibasize for ama-application for ama-NSFAS. And then ngabo-August we do ama-spelling bee. Yeah,
Okay.
so yeah.
Yeah.
Ngizwe athi uvakashela ikolo. So abantwana beza bathunyelwe esikolo or do they come mabafuna or into ezingathiwa singisho ukuthi mhlawumbe ibhizi ngalelo langa so besikhulume ngalo ukuthi kuyobe like manithi nina niba-approach ukuthi niyenze into kanje beza bayi-group vele set ama-dates and stuff or which.
Masiye ekolweni, first of all we go to schools bese siyocela i-permission. They say if they grant us permission then we tell them we usually have ama-brochures ethu we go to ekolweni, then we have ama-brochures from Hleze, Pretoria, UJ, Val, those things. Then we give them this is the courses maybe not as good and what are the APS score that needed for amalento leyo. Yeah, but siye ekolweni kibo then basinikeze some certain time sicela maybe some few minutes nyana esikolweni because we are disturbing but before we go through that we usually take a letter to second good even them they should know good what's happening. Uyabona ukuthi mangabe kuyenzeka on that day kubabuza i-progress ukuthi kwenzakale but they have i-backup yencwadi yokuthi they ask for a permission for students.
So they don't come to your price so sizabona esikolweni.
Yeah, when kule yama-career the only thing siya kuyo siya before siyobatshela ukuthi these are the course that schools provide early unyaka, then masekuvula ama-varsity that's when the kids come here, then masebenza la that's when we able to assist them with computers and everything ama-application ukuthi bakhona uku-apply kuma-varsity. Yeah. Yeah, so yiko lokho. So now ngizwe usamukela athi you guys will be helping us in helping the kids to apply because most of them that's where we usually work. Sebenza kahle kahle sebenza kakhulu nama-student and we encourage them ukuthi guys since nivalile if you are around come do the same thing because angithi sikhonile ukukufaka esikolweni ukukusiza last year, so come and give back nawe. Asisho ukuthi sizobhadala but it's a community thing le since vele sayiqala ayikho imali esingathi esayikhipha sabhadala abalento. we provide our own money for, but the only thing that we provide is for lunch for the people that are assisting us through the process. But that's why I'm telling you, some we were telling sikhuluma nabo abantu who are coming to us with abazosiza with bafethu asiholi la, and they don't expect ukuthi ekugcineni uzothola imali yabona, but we are doing it for a community, give back to the community. So ikanjalo nje but indaba zokudla, that's when we see ourselves through, because actually we don't like to rely kakhulu.
Alright. Njengoba ngiye ngaveza nje ukuthi i-timing yayo cishe ifike kahle.
Okay.
So not only that kuzobe ukuthi siyasiza phela, but he will also like sizosizakala kulokho esibhizi ngakho currently, because vele into enjengalezi like community outreach in terms of ama-programs afana nalawa enye yezinto ebesisahlela ukuthi singazenza kanjani. So maniza nento ekanje, it makes things easier for us okwethu ukuthi sizi-availe, then again sibambisane siqhubeke. So uButsamiyalo yakhona ukuthi at least if ngingathola about 5 or 4, but not more than 5, ne?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. So right now we are 3, or rather the sisters are 3. Then kulaba ebebakhona ngisho mawufika la ngaphandle uyababona ngekho bebekhona ngaphandle. Yeah, they also form part of a program lesibhizi ngayo. Maybe in terms of devices azodingakala, because niyena mention ukuthi uma kukhona ama-laptop esinawo mhlambe kungasiza nje kakhulu. I'll also engage them just to check ukuthi in terms of availability bakhona na amongst them aba-available, and also abanawo nama-gadgets bangakhona nje ukuthi at least basondele then kusebenzeke. So I think sizo-add that 2 from their group, then nje kuba ukuthi bayi-5. Then ngakwelethu side, what I know right now ukuthi we have a laptop eyodwa. So
Okay. Alright, singabonga kakhulu futhi ngoba yiyo kahle into eba i-challenge. It's because of indaba zama-computer abantwana bafika sebabaningi and we can't able to assist mhleze, because mabafika la sinokuthi sibaplante la ema-computeni umuntu nomuntu yabona. Then while thina abanye uma une-laptop yakho, then you'll use a laptop, but you're able to assist abantu. So if we have more of computers will be much better, because at the end of the day labantwana laba ba-expectanga ukuthi siyasifuna ukubayenzisa ama-1-1 schools, at least the minimum, the maximum it can be 3. Yabonazi ukuthi u-apply 3 nje ikolo babana, because lezi ezinye siyamtshela ukuthi alokunye sowuzayiqhubekela ekhaya, this is how the route works. But mangabe uyastaka, then come back to the library, maybe arrange a day, come back, then we'll assist you babana.
Alright.
Siyakhuluma yona. Singathi sicela kakhulu ne. Like lathi na kule project lesenza sobesenza presentation for le sisenzayo. So sinama social media platforms.
Okay.
So during lezi lezi zobezenzeka, do you give us a permission just one video, one picture yento eyenzakalayo on that type page?
From Giti or Gini?
Yeah, from ngasho ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizoba ne-concern yokuthi abanye abazali they don't give consent ukuthi abantu babo bashuthwe if we are helping them here. Essentially ukuthi for us to post on social media.
Okay. Yeah, that thing we have to, because end of the day, Nati, if let's say we were going, because end of the day we have to expect reports and stuff, and let's say we go for a donation, because they need to see the program. If we're working general university, if they send them abroad, they need to see what did you use our things. They want kids using our parameters, our shooting. So that one I don't think could be an issue with you randomly taking pictures for them. Even Bangena Labakwala taking picture for them. I don't think it will be an issue. Yeah, but then to add on that, I think we having ngizweni khuluma ngelento I think I don't know, maybe ngibambe moyeni, something like Mama register and stuff. You can
Oh,
also have your own register that is written your organization on top, so that it will help you to do a report. So
Yes.
we'll have to report lento. When the kids comes, they will sign 2 registers. It's for the friends of the library and your organization, so that it can assist you whatever plan for the services.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, Kamala organization, yeah, you can address it like that. Liqua community network here, actually, we Liqua community network, we bridge a gap between the community, mostly focus here to youth as well as decision makers, institutions, libraries like the development and empowerment centers. So teenagers to bring that information, or rather making sure that such things are accessible. So focus it is obe lapho nje, then obviously sizoshare ke nasegrouphini ke ama-platforms esinawo njengamanje, then sesizozwa ngani ke cishe okuningi in terms of ukuthi mhlambe kwenzakalani nini.
Okay, yeah, I think most of them, maybe Nizopuma from Nati Samele from the kids, because today we went out for our schools. We visited the schools today to let them kids know what the program is open. So anytime they can come, but they need to prepare us prior, like a day, so that we can arrange with you guys this one, because we don't actually don't want ukuthi nifakele message ngabo 5 sithi kusasa 6 sanicela, which is that's unprofessional. So at least if they tell us, we'll tell them good, okay, if you guys, if iStan West isikhuluma nathi kusasa, then we'll tell you guys, let's see on Thursday, because we need to check if the manpower is enough. We can say come Wednesday, but if the manpower iyantenga, we will maybe send amalanga. At least the more into inkala yakhona, ngifuna ukuthi ama-student eze la afike la angatholi i-service, uyabona, then kusasa noma sisicela, they're not gonna take us serious. So but the first impression counts. So whatever that we do, we must make sure that we do it 100%. Then akhona ama-ups and downs, but we're not gonna focus on them at current stage. So we want to do whatever that we do there to the 100% actually. So that's why I'm saying it's better to have more staff than to have less staff and not helping abantwana.
Okay. Yeah. Clear now, what I'm saying. Colleagues.
Yeah, I think that we are so happy to have you guys. I think ngiyazwa khuluma ngabo networking, so meaning shooting eziningi, ushuthi sesawo communicator, as I'm saying. Samukela ngazi ukushuthi bani, like we also need to have advertise, ngazi ukuthi we have to set out that thing. Advertise, at least the more information, at least bayithole, because actually actually it's not only per se, even the pamphlet engikhuluma ngayo ngiyacanga ukuthi it shouldn't only be specifically for grade 12 only, because some of them last year they couldn't able to apply, yabazi laba ba-applya January, so that's in their plan. So this program ayiphelile only grade 12. Even after grade 12, kunabantu who can still come to us and ask for that assistance.
Okay, just to add on that, ngiyacabanga lapho uzongisiza kakhulu, more especially when it comes to ama-social media, because even nakimi ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngingakhona futhi ukuthi nisincedise, yabona, mhlambe uku-advertiser and stuff, yabona, because manje ngokusho nje kanje ukuthi vele uthola ukuthi khona abanye abantwana abazali abahlezi nabantwana emakhaya kumanje abangazange bathole i-opportunity from last year, khona nomunye ofisayo nje ukuza, yabona. So yonke leyo information leyo ukuthi okay, yes, abantwana si-decide ukuthi kumele beze as a group, ne? But njengomuntu angeke sithi sizomfaka under i-group umuntu osekhaya vele, yabona. So lo muntu loyo une-right ukuthi angaza yena azizele yena self, eze nezinto ezidingakalayo, those requirements, eze nawo azo-apply. And nenye into engiyithandayo ngokuthi sizama ukuthi information isi-spread is because iyasiza kakhulu when it comes to abanye abantwana bayafihla emakhaya, ukuthi kumele bawu-apply. Kanti umzali mangabe esezwile ukuthi hawu kanti khona laba akhona ukuthi babancedise khona, kuzoba easy ukuthi asitsheke ukuthi wena Zandile or wena Zanele or wena Themba hambe uye e-Stan West Library uhambe uyo-apply, or iza ngithathe ngemoto uhambe uyo-apply. So naleyo futhi iyo futhi naye ozothola ukuthi yona ukuthi izosinikezela maybe another challenge because umzali uzofuna ukuzizela yena nomntwana wakhe. Exactly. So ngaleyo ndlela leyo vele mangabe umzali sekafikile nomntwana angeke ngisho ukuthi hayi mina angi-apply ama-individual. It means now like sesivala ama-opportunities again, kanti thina sizama ukuvula ama-opportunities, yabona. So angeke sithi ngoba hayi hamba uyolanda abanye nize nibe bayi-5 bese niyabuya, maze wafika ufikile, yabona. So naleyo ngifuna naleyo information maybe mangabe niyakhona ukuthi nibatshele, ngikhona futhi ukuthi nibandlulisele kanjani ukuthi no mangabe ukhona ukuthi wena ufuna ukuzihambela wena, it's fine, you can come, ngikhona mina la ngizokhona ukuthi ngincedise, yabona. But as a group sengizokhona ukuthi nami ngispread egroupini ukuthi hayi guys kunabantwana bathi bazofika mina so and then-ke lapho-ke vele sebazodinga ne-manpower, yabona. Yes, so yeah, ngokuphetha nje lapho guys ukuthi siyacela ukuthi si-spread as much as you can. Ngiyacabanga into engizoyenza la ngizozama ukuthi ngiyifake wena ngizoyifaka yonke information ngiyisendele yena ne. Yes, bengisacela ukuthi ngisende kuwe and then maybe you can spread the information. That is why ngithi you cannot spread the information if now you are not having enough information. You understand? Ukuthi hayi khona mina ngizombuza buzane lo wase-library, yabona ukuthi ayisenzi kahle, but-ke ungcono uma kuthiwa nawe yes. So yilokho
Mamba, check your handles. Over. Oh no, you can just drop.
Okay, so guys,
Yeah.
we usually work even in
The audio.
assist them because availability abantwana, so mhlawumbe ikora bathi abakhona ngaphandle. That's why we say arrange with us if possible. We open for you on Saturday, just for you, especially for you, so that we can assist you. So that's the only thing that we
Yeah.
But anything ukuthi seniors through the program, you are more than welcome to us. We'll still, if I may say, sinosamukele sizozama ukuthi sazi and nenye into eshiwo samukele nayo ukuthi hayi ngizobuza uba njengokuthi bafone sibabuza information hayi angazi ngiyabona ukuthi manje yabona ukuthi nalo muntu ongisizayo ngathi akasi when uthe we part of program, but yabona. So that's why we take with every information you ufunayo, just more than welcome that you just need to ask so that good now mawukhuluma ube proud so babona ukuthi abayazazi indaba zakhe, yabona. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sister.
Wonke ama-program engizowayenza la sizoba ikhathi yawo noma kuzoba ilawo nalawo
According to the information esengiyitholile ukuthi the friends of the library, ngaze ngatshela nomathonsi mina ngathi most of them mina actually pese mina ngisebenzela ngaphandle, nini ngibakhona nini angikho, yabona. So but mangikhona into wavulela ukuthi if you are friends of the library, so kahle kahle because ukuthi the whole structure of the friends of the library hlale phasi and present ama-programs abo, so that we can't do ama-program ayi-5 ngelanga eli-1 kodwa sithi sima-friends of the library, which it shows that ukuthi ngathi silwa sodwa. So mangabe when uyenza ngo-March ama-support ngo-March we go there, then mina mangabe sifocus ku-June as currently I'm saying, yabona, then the support system it's there focus kuleyo program leyo. That's why I'm saying ukuthi even our matrons, we still have to have that meeting so that we bring the table good guys. Mina kakhulu inyanga yami focusile it's just 2 months. Kahle kahle ngeke ngasho ukuthi it's June nabo July, that's when the university, that's when the program runs, yabona. Bese no August for ama spelling bee. But other than that, it's open from our career educational department so meaning uphendula lokwakho sithi ukuthi hayi every program we are more than welcome because our two on our side so nathi we are willing to support you.
Yeah, quite clear.
As you present, I need to gather information like you put because for 7 that's fine, pictures and everything, but can we use you as our reference for which students in the lab?
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not problem. It's fine. It's people that anything contact us because yeah, for reference. But one of the guys that we used to work with, most of them were students. Yeah, that's a step. Most of them, like, I'm a student, it's fine, use me as your friend from the library. Then, whenever they call me, I'll approve and say, it's me. You did work with me. So, yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, if you get information and you send your children feel free, you know, with Maba or Kunga feel is like letting us down. I want to part in things we tell the sooner you know the better. So that it's not C5. He says Nabantana by 20 C2. Which is just coward. So Maba has with you, I want to schedule some expecting. Feel free, which could die, so that will make an alternative. If I have to do, because in universities we split my universities. When I on a tree. So she has got the EJ, Valley, and PTA is out. Manga Saveli, we are one Seslim as a Bantwana who wants to go there. So if Manga Wuko, then Cecilia Scala say a split at in a corner with at 31, sends you 4 at 31, so they want to about Puma covered.
Yeah. Then for Loco specifically, my career expo, I dates specifically what you bring
because this is your check, we have to finalize this your check opening. About the time to varsity.
Yeah.
Then that is the next step that we'll be preparing is spelling bee, and after spelling bee we are looking for NSFAS. Sesmela with NSFAS my volo. Then we come back and assist the student. Laba bathe batholi lamalento. Acceptable whatever, then we have them with Bakono apply.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how it is. Control of varsity. If the varsity all of them are closed, then we should be 2 years stopping taking applications.
Alright. No, it's clear on my side.
Are you the membership? Membership. For the locals.
To open 20 rand card.
Yes, Minulwas and Nalol input. From A1, it's free.
Angazi bosuba explainelile ukuthi maybe umntwana mangabe unama documents wakhe akawaskenanga or akawenzanga amakopi uvumelekile ukuthi angeza na like mangabe beza izigroup bangakhona ukuthi bafike la ekhaya sibe nendlela ukuthi sibasize ukuthi baskene ama documents.
Yeah.
Because kumele ukuthi ama documents wona it's a must ukuthi kumele askene bangawashuthi. Yes, bangawashuthi. Abasuka bemnyama and nje awukhona ngithi lapha nomunye angena as a PDF not as a picture. So azosifupha ukuthi kumele siwaconvert and angisho yabona nesikhathi sethu soshaya kanje. Yes.
Yeah.
So lapho manje naskenela izoba free of charge.
Yeah, umntwana angazenzela yena mangabe uyakhona ukuthi askene la skena khona it's fine. Yabo. seze nawo ama-documents wakhe noma angathiwa-ke ukhonile futhi nakhona ukwafaka noma angafaka efonini nakhona or uma ngabe mina ngiprefera kakhulu i-USB ukuthi awafake ku-USB yabona eze nawo vele sewaku-USB and then lapho kuzoba easy for us ukuthi vele sisebenzise i-USB straight. But if ingekho i-USB then yes, because bengithi nabo bengithi lana sizokhona futhi kusibe nendlela bengingakakhulumi-ke no-Mr. Tsotetsi ukuthi bengifisa ukuthi mina sibanikeze abantwana sibanikezele i-email address ne bamane bawasendele to i-email address maybe nalapho futhi kungaba easy mangabe bawaskena. Yes.
Yeah, angazi ukuthi are we still gonna use the same process as last year or the previous year, because the previous year bebafika la bakhona umuntu ezawusaying bakhona umuntu beka la, then that person was only dealing email, avulisa email, then APS score, then maqeda bese usenzela yena uyascanela. We were having ama-USB mhleze uzale yakho so that la uzosebenza khona once you have a kit ka-USB then uye emshinini bayamscanela bamfakele lento, then that kit comes back with that, then immediately ngalento. But if it's not my USB maybe awu-5 sengiyabekisa, then masuka lapho uyakimi uza ne-information asiyabona once siscanile sesisebenzisa leyo USB leyo bese bascanela actually khona la phakathi.
Yeah.
And then enye into angazi bafethu if we can or sizokhona na ukuba angifuni ukuthi si-strugglishe ngelanga, angazi ukuthi makuthiwa sizoyenza lama-application nawo sizo-check ikole evuliwe, then bese we give you uyikhethele ukuthi ufuna ukusebenza ngaliphi i-page ngaliphi isikole, then the sooner you get that the sooner u-familiarize yourself, because amanye anokukubhayizisa ungazi ukuthi ivulile manje awusazi ukuthi what's next so ngathi kungaba nendlela ukuthi mase selectile wazi ukuthi go through those schools application forms ubone ukuthi okay I'm familiar, yabona mangabe ngiyastaka then ask them ukuze ukhona ukuthi hey sengimile la ngithi ukugqisilela next ngifake.
No, I think that will help like a lot with as soon as the sense it's okay now my institutions are fully then in share so that nomunye azokhona ukulona. Yeah,
aqala azenze uyasibamba na last time I think we say Pratran hey sesimemeze njalo umuntu oyi-1 wonke wasivelo page I think was Makasela so to avoid such things nje let's try noma kuthiwe lakubhayizisa mara kube then not like every page odvulayo wena I understand ukuthi kwenzakalani.
That's when so correct why yile which I understand.
So yeah so that's so I'm going to see check I think probably by tomorrow we'll wake up